Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Beyond the First Layer. So again, a warm welcome and thank you for purchasing my book, The First Layer. How do I know you've bought this book? Well, this channel isn't promoted at the moment anywhere else. So prove that you've read this book all up to the end, because at the end there is this link to this channel. And I'm gratefully thank you that you read this book, and I hope it helped you to improve your printing skills. At the moment you won't find much content on this channel. I'm still collecting so many topics which I'm going to bring a little bit more content about. On the other side, you see my printer setup at the background, which at the moment exists out of an Elegoo Neptune 4 Max, an Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro, and an Anycubic Cobra 3 with 2ms. With the 2ams, I'm able to print up to 8 colors. And any one of you having this Cobra 3, you know, sometimes she behaves like a little diva. I made minor improvements, and since then, she's printing like a goddess. To be honest, nothing to complain about anymore. And 8 colors print is so awesome. You can do so many nice things. But also the Elegoos, both are running now on Clipper, no longer on Elegoo firmware. And especially the N3 Pro, I found him almost destroyed on eBay and brought him back to life. Installed a Raspberry Pi in front of him, and now he's really running 100% stock Clipper with all the add-ons. And to be honest, I think that's one of the printers I will never give away. So what can you expect from this channel? For sure, we're going to take some chapters out of the book, which I can explain much better on video. I'm going to take you on a tour to Autodesk Fusion or Fusion 360 here in the personal for free version, where I did a lot of stuff, for example, like name lamps. I'm going to show you how to do this. I made adapters for Blink cameras. You can find my stuff on various portals. I made a rack for my filament because I needed to bring some order into my office. And for sure I'm going to do some upgrades on the printers. I'm going to show you how to do that and what's the impact on your printer. I'm going to bring you the best bed adhesion you can ever get. And for sure I'm going to show you also some niche, small but nice filament manufacturers. Not those big names, really nice colors and things. The ones you do not really find on front page. Please join me on my journey where I'm going to show you what I learned. I started a couple of years ago with an used Ender 3 printer, but you see there's a lot of content in preparation, and I need time to record, to cut and all these things. And to be honest, this is my first YouTube channel, so I'm not a pro. I invite you to turn from time to time to this channel and see if there's anything new on the channel. And yeah, stay safe, happy printing, so don't get frustrated. Would love to see you soon, and take care.